See some of their work, which they refer as quality road. You can clearly see it. You can clearly see it. This is the quality roads they have been doing, and they expect the federal government to refund them. They are waiting for reimbursement. Look at. This is what they call as quality work. This is the quality projects they have been doing for the people of Ghana. Look at. Look at. You can see it. This is exactly where they stopped with the work. And as you can see, the road is not completely tarred. So this is where they stopped. I think you can see.
This is Gbeawizi along Kayama Kishi Road. This is one of the death traps one can easily see on this road. Many vehicles fall into this pit. It's a very shallow road which not all trailers can pass through this place without having accident. You can see this is the road the state government claims to have spent 660 or 640 million naira, money given to them by the federal government to take care of this road. The people of Kayama community were seriously complaining on this road. You can see many of these vehicles plying this road. You can see some of the gully erosions that fall into this bridge. This is the main center of the road. Everybody can easily see this. Is it a road that what they claim to have prepared? They should come down and see it by themselves. Nobody is exaggerating it. The picture can identify everything on this road, and that is why I'm talking over it. This is the road to Kayama. This is Gbeawizi. Everybody knows Gbeawizi. And these potholes, since vehicle cannot pass here with speed, we do have a lot of armed robbers along this road too, claiming people's life. This is one of the
Hey.